What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Cornwell Monday. Mr. Joe's outside. Let's go see what he's got.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Guys, how's it going? Cornwell Monday again. I'll tell you, I'm tired. I've done another trip up and back to Wisconsin back. That means work all day Friday, 7, 8 o'clock, get done, head up there, drive 12 hours straight while everybody's up, so you gotta do everything. But if you remember way back early January, or my mom died on me, but all my relatives up there couldn't all get together, come a time down here. So I let them pick a day, and we did a funeral up there for her, which was this last weekend. So it's 2 weekends in a row, just being a road warrior. But you learn interesting things that you learn things you never knew before. My mom, for instance, loved playing baseball. I know she liked watching the Brewers, but she loved playing baseball. She actually was on the softball team for our school. Now, she was 84 years old. Figure out how long ago that was. That was pretty interesting.
A while back.
Now, her mom was a teacher, and we lived in a big farmhouse, because we lived on a big farm, 3 families could live in it. And so whenever I need help in school or something, or my mom didn't think I was doing good enough, Grandma would be in there, well, here's how you do this and do that. Well, it turns out my mom, while going through school, helped teach 4 classes at the same time.
Wow.
And played baseball and worked on the farm. And she liked ice skating too, all things I never even knew about, but it's cool.
Yep, that is
So,
cool.
I had a lot of stuff weighing on my mind driving back and forth, but learning this stuff was all different. But we are here for some tools. I'm going to show you a picture. Here's a picture of the box.
All right.
Oh, we can do better than that. We got a full one. We'll look at this. Now I'll show you what's really cool with this set. It's a 5-ton and a 2-ton puller, but it ratchets, it locks in place, so you can set all the jaws where you need them while you set up the forcing screw. You don't have to have 3 hands and you're trying to juggle this around.
Right.
And you want to switch from 3 jaw to 2 jaw, all you do is take this, pull it out, slop it in there, and you got a 2 jaw. Or if you need to reverse them, it's that easy. You're not having to take a bolt apart,
Right.
pull it out, turn it around, just put it all together.
That's a nice set.
So, we'll make it a 3 jaw again. Once again, it's a 3 jaw. They lock. The 2 jaw does the same thing. I forgot to look up the price. We'll get back to that one in a minute. But this is a great set. Gear wrench, 3627.
All right, that is a nice set.
We'll have a price in a little bit. Power probe. We all like the power probe. This is the power probe soldering gun. Comes with the attachments that you need.
And this butane, right?
Yes. Uses butane. We'll get to that in a minute. You got the wrenches, so you can change the different tips. You got a little soldering pad. You got for heat shrink, you got some solder. These are $80.
That's a nice set. Very nice.
Mid-length metric sockets.
Everybody likes the semis.
Everybody likes a mid-length semi-deep. This is the chrome set.
Very nice. What's
Part
the
numbers
size of it?
STM 2212 MLS. On sale for $202.
Does it skip sizes in that?
It does not.
Good.
We don't skip.
I can't stand skip sizes.
What are you going to ask me about, Clay?
Oh yeah. Talk to everybody about what's going on back here.
We got beer back here.
Yeah.
Now I should talk, and I might mention different guys, different shops. There's a lot of great guys do a lot of great work everywhere. But Roger Bird's Body Shop, found this here hat for me, gave it to me. He said, Joe, he said, we were remodeling the office, which I just getting done. This hat's over 20 years old. He says, I know that. He says, it's got the straight flat bill, you know, it looks like. I says, yeah, it looks like the drill sergeant from Platoon. And I went off and, you know, gave a couple of lines, but Clay told me I can't talk that way on here, so we'll save that. Just watch the show. But it's got the flat bill and everything. So Roger Bird said, oh yeah, I was putting it up there where I got Clay's hat. He says, don't put it there. I go, why? He says, I don't want nobody to know that you stopped here. So everybody, Roger Bird's Body Shop, I stopped there.
There you go.
And he wants me to stop there because he had me pick up some of this beer from Wisconsin. It's New Glarus, Spotted Cow. I'm sure he's going to share some of that with me too because, you know, he gives me a hard time. I give him one back.
There you go.
You want to talk about a guy that does really good body work? That guy is very hard to beat. Anywhere around Tupelo area, you need to see Roger Bird's Body Shop, because I stopped there too. And I do. I have him do my stuff that nobody else can do, and he does a great job, great pricing.
There you go.
But other than that, guys, have a great week. We will talk next week. Keep them thumbs up.
All right, guys, you see Mr. Joe had a couple of goodies on the truck today, and he got my pass-through set in. This part number is CRW21GTS. It's a 21-piece go-through socket set, or what we call pass-through. And the sizes go from a 10 to a 19 millimeter, and a 3/8 to 3/4. So that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna actually do a separate video on this where we'll take a closer look at this thing, because it is awesome. For 82 bucks, you really can't beat it. So if you guys want one of these, be sure to text Mr. Joe and let him know. And last week I picked up the Vampire 8-inch extraction pliers, where it would put me at 2 pair, and this week I picked up another pair of the Super Combo scissors. So anyway, guys, that's what I got from Mr. Joe. Be sure to let him know if you're interested in anything that you've seen on the truck today, and he will get you taken care of. Guys, I'll post the prices on each one of those.
Yeah, that one there.
And text. If you need anything, Mr. Joe's card will be at the end of this video. Like always, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.